In today's video, I'll walk you through how to fix the Snapchat due to repeated failed attempts or other unusual activity error. This error can occur due to various reasons, such as logging in multiple times with the wrong password or experiencing glitches in the app. But don't worry, I've got a few simple fixes for you. If you're unsure about your password or username, try to remember your password first. You can also use the Forgot Password option if needed. Now, let's dive into the solutions. Check for updates. Open the App Store on your device. Look for any available updates for Snapchat. If there's an update, install it. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app. Visit the Snapchat account's website. Open your internet browser. Go to the official Snapchat account's website. Log into your account and try the Unlock My Account option if available. If you've tried the above steps and still encountering the error, it could be a temporary issue on Snapchat's end. Wait for some time, typically around 20 minutes or more, and try logging in again later. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Snapchat error. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful. Peace out.